Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I will show you how to fix van error -81. This is a connection error, and the first thing you do to fix it, just simply try restarting your PC. Now, if that doesn't work for you, after you restart your PC and the Valorant still doesn't work, you go to search, type in add or remove programs, and in here, delete Valorant. You uninstall Valorant, and you uninstall Vanguard. And once you've installed both of these, you relaunch the client and then download again. And once in here, go to Valorant and simply download it again. And once you download it, it will ask you to install the Vanguard again, and once you do that, it will work. And once you do that, the game should work. Now, if even that doesn't help, the last thing you can try is once you reinstall the Vanguard again, go to search, type in run. Once you're in run, type in this services.msc, click OK. Once you're in here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC, double click on it and set it to automatic. If it's in any other, just set it to automatic, not delayed start, just to automatic. Apply, okay. And you simply restart your PC once more and it should fix your issue forever. And that's it for this video. Hopefully this helped you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.